All right, so I purchased this sound bar for my new golf cart, and just gonna open it up and kind of show you a little bit of what's in here, and then of course I'm gonna mount it once the golf cart arrives, which was a few days after I purchased this, and so I was just getting it ready and prepared to put on there. So I actually bought a little mounting bracket to go on the golf cart, and so does come with some mounting bracket stuff inside and a battery pack. So those are the mounting bars, but I'm not going to use those. And so you could mount it to the top of your golf cart that way. But there was one that was specific from a place called Buggy Works that I purchased. So I'm going to charge up this battery here and be ready to go and get it. So golf cart did arrive a few days later. Here is the mounting bracket, and it already has pre-drilled holes in it to fit exactly where the speaker has the drilled holes so that you can attach it. So there's a little bit of drilling you have to do. You have to come over here on this side, and I've kind of started a hole there, as you can see. And then you'll need to attach it with some bolts and screws as well. So there's really only 4 holes you have to go ahead and do here. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you how it all hooks up. You definitely want a good drill bit. So here it is, putting the first side through. And I've just clamped the other side. So if you have help, someone could hold you. But I went ahead and just clamped the other side while I was doing this. And measure the distance in between here and that first bolt on the other side, so that obviously we have a uniform look. And again, here's the holes where we'll be putting it down through and hooking it up, and wound up working out pretty well, except for one little thing, is that when I ordered it from Buggy Works, it was a little short, and so you can see it was like a good ½ inch off there. But it's a good idea to have this bracket, but I had to put little spacers there, and I used the mounting bolts that came with the sound bar itself. And so anyway, it's going to be sturdy enough, and I just used obviously some washers there, but ½ inch off. I was kind of bummed a little bit, but it's been working really well. So here we start the first screw, and there's 7 of them, I believe. And then you'll just use an Allen wrench on top to adjust it and get it in there. So here it is. It's all mounted. I have the battery pack one, right, so I don't have to run any wires or anything, and I had already charged it, and it very easily just goes right in there. And then there's a kind of little Velcro strap, so you just here show you it's fully charged, and we'll pop it in there. And there's a couple little clips that hold it in place too. So here it is. We'll go ahead and use a Velcro strap on it. It kind of just hooks down there through the bottom part, and then you'll hold it in place. And it says it gets up to 20 hours of battery life, so that's pretty good. All right, so here we are, first turning it on. It's just like anything else. You want to just pair it to your device with the Bluetooth. And so right here is the different modes. So you could obviously use FM mode. It does have FM transmission. I didn't try that though. And then of course volume down, up, seek forward, or track forward, track back. And then this is your light button. You can just tap that to change colors. Once you turn it off, you'll see here in a second, you just hold it a little longer when you turn it back on, and they'll start to just gradually change colors if you did it that way. And so several different colors, and this button here is for the LED lights right here in the back, and there's maybe 4 or 5 colors. So when you first turn it on, it'll come on as red, and then you keep on pressing the button, and it will change colors here. So as I press it, you'll see that it changes to different colors. So a lot of lights going on this thing here. And so this is your Bluetooth, and then that's your pause and play button. And then there is a USB little insert there, so you can connect things through that. I don't think I'll ever do that, but anyway, you just again, here's your power button again, and here it is in use. It's going to start to pump some music, so I'm not playing that for copyright purposes, but you can set it up to where it goes kind of with the beat of the music. All right, please ask any questions below, and always subscribe. Thanks.